JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
It's stroller making time. I hope y'all can hear me with this thing. I don't know if this thing works, but this is the lovely CNCP 5-in-1 modular travel system. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all. But we're gonna put this together. By we, I mean he. He is. I'm just here for more support. I hope. Y'all got no knives?
Got a butter knife.
Butter knife is crazy. I don't like this. What is that? Yeah, Jesus Lord is mad pieces.
Show me what we're looking at.
I don't think I can move this. Hold on. I just want to show you guys how many pieces in this box. Is wild.
Yeah, we're gonna be up for a little minute.
Yo, oh my god.
Alright.
Yeah, oh, hell no. Like every piece is heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just this wheel is about as big as my stomach.
It's the closest you get into any wheel.
Yep. Okay, that's the car seat.
The one piece that I believe is fully assembled as is.
I'm sure it's the only piece assembled. Oh, another wheel. This must be the front wheels.
Please don't lose this. If you know, you know. Don't lose the cup holder. Ever.
First of all, somebody stole mine, so. I guess all the pieces can go back in this box side.
You mean all the scraps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, these are definitely the front wheels.
Mm-hmm.
It feels so, like it glides, like smooth as hell.
Until you find a reason that it ain't gliding for you, we gonna see. All right.
Come on, Dad, a 3.
Man.
Let me correct that. Dad a 3, bonus dad to 1, dad a 4.
Yep. Indeed. Put this card out now. Yada, 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 yada. Look. You got a little book.
Little? That's a thick book. What is this for?
I guess rules and regulations on how not to use and how to use it.
How do you attach the card to the base? The base is already down there. Oh,
The base is right here, yeah. This
base.
is.
I don't think that goes there. I think that goes on the stroller.
Oh, hold up.
Yeah.
I like that. Hold up. This is the walkout.
Well, damn.
Yeah.
This, I'm not gonna hold you. This is the best part about the car seat that I like. It goes all the way through here, like all the way down. Listen, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna do another stroller review eventually. So follow me on TikTok. Same name as my Instagram name. If you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing with your life. And you was about to go right back to the hospital because this shit almost took me out.
Oh Lord. This.
Oh God, another. What did you buy?
It's all in one.
So what piece is that for?
The stroller itself.
How does that fit? Okay. It's gonna be a minute before she could sit down in that.
Yeah, she needs something.
Garbage.
Yeah, hopefully this part is a cakewalk. Look, another book.
Like. Alright, I thought it was a lot of pieces. It's not as much. It just seemed like a lot of pieces.
They do that to overwhelm you. But in reality, look. Ouch. I'm a veteran though.
And before y'all get to asking if we having any more kids,
No.
absolutely not.
No. This is it.
I ain't doing this again. So don't ask me, please.
Let's see. I ain't ripping all that off one by one.
I'm sure this goes here. Oh, go ahead, take those pieces off?
Yeah. And don't go jamming the wheel in there before you go talking about, oh, it's not coming out.
Right.
I think it's broken.
This goes here.
Yeah. I'd easily go there.
I like the way this feels. It's like leather. Kind of.
She deserves the leather.
It's crazy enough. He got this for. This is on clearance, right?
Yeah, it was on clearance.
Clearance plus my employee discount came out to a nice, good, like, pretty penny, I guess.
I thought crazy was me buying it the moment we found out who she was. Or what she was. Yeah, what she was.
I mean, deep down, he always knew it was gonna be a girl.
What you say, manifested?
Listen, I got my pair, so. What? Oh, you want me to? I can put it on now?
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
So that goes like.
Oh, I don't think so.
It does.
All right, yeah. Go ahead, veteran. Okay.
Pow. That don't feel right. But
Yeah, I was about to say.
she's in there.
Nah, I don't
Let's
think
see.
so.
She gonna be lean with it.
I don't think so. I low-key don't think that's how it goes.
Yo. Lean with it. Okay, so that's that.
Let's put the wheels on it because we keep scratching up the floor.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
It's an airplane on it. I'm not taking this out because we don't know.
She can be flat.
Yeah, it's too flat.
Think so, right?
Yeah, I really don't think that goes like that.
Alright, we're gonna work it.
Oh.
Yeah. Ow. Haha. Alright, we're gonna save that part for last.
Move over.
Wheels, right?
I got the front wheel.
You got a front wheel?
Yeah.
Now, is there a left and a right, or?
Right. Just realized that. How was it in the picture? It's us using this picture instead of reading instructions.
Yeah, I gave you the book. But hey.
You got yours that way, this way.
Yeah. I don't think that it matters too much. Look, it's still gonna swoop. No matter what. Boom. I'm gonna swivel it. Yeah, she good. Back wheel time. Now this one has a rate. That's why I asked.
Okay. Yeah.
You just popped it in there.
I know the people under us is like, yo, what the hell are y'all moving now?
Y'all, it be you that's doing all the moving in here. Yeah.
This big stroller.
Right. Baby got some wheels. And look.
Oh,
Make the ball come up nice and high.
yeah, for your tall ass.
Yeah.
Ah, damn, you just
My
rolled
bad.
over my toe.
My bad. Alright, now, to figure this out, 5 ways to stroll, yada, yada, yada. Make sure to use...
Well, that's just how far to go. That's not a lot.
Okay, let's see. It's the main... No. It says... If I just go like this, I feel like this is right.
She's so low, though.
Yeah, that's right. She good. Now you rolling over my foot.
My bad. Now the ultimate test.
What?
Unfolding this shit back.
Light work.
That's cool. I guess we're not going to be using that anytime soon.
No.
Oh my god. Or the base. Or the base.
Yes, we are going to be using the base.
Not the same. So yeah, use the base. Base could sit under the thing from when we actually use it in the car.
This is why she's not the designated driver.
Either way, yeah. Push this out.
This is light. Look. She comes out back here. There's a little button back here.
First of all, it's been a long time since I had to get one of these strollers. My son's stroller wasn't like this, so I didn't need to do all this extra whippity do. What's this right here?
This. Ooh.
Yeah, what do those do? Nope. Okay.
Forward, right?
Why we sound like first time parents? This is heavy as God knows what. I'm not picking that up.
I wasn't expecting you to.
Yo,
Yo.
you got a heavy stroller.
There you go.
Alright, cool.
Light.
We sound like first time parents, and
I'm the one here confidently telling you, this is how this going. This is how this stroller open and close.
because it didn't look like that.
She good.
This can go down, or does it not go down?
Yeah, look.
Cool. I have a thing that goes over this too.
I bet you do.
Winter time.
So people leave her alone.
No, it's gonna be winter time.
That's it.
Her little body goes. I guess this will be the last thing we figure out if we have to adjust it.
Yeah, they usually do that at the hospital
Hospital, yeah.
with the car seat test. Yeah, she good. Oh, baby.
Yeah, this stroller is crazy big. So this is the piece right here that we'll pretty much be using when she gets bigger. But it looks like a bassinet type thing.
You could also use it as a bassinet
Bassinet.
thing. Like, this is nice to use if you're going on a stroll.
Yeah.
Hence, stroller. But you would layer in that.
So let's take this out and put it. I want to see what it looks like. How did you get this out? I just want to see how you take it out.
And that's why I keep the bar up.
Oh, these buttons on the side or the button in the back?
Button in the back.
Okay.
Pull the bar, slide the button up toward you, pick up.
Cool. All right. Car seat, that's figured out. This was quicker than I expected it to be. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah, the car seat, like, it also depends on the type of stroller you find.
Now, if we were opting in to get a Duna, this would be so much faster.
Yeah, but the Duna also would have her on the floor. No, thank you.
Yeah.
For this, what I love about this stroller is it doesn't seem to me like the adapters stay on, like it's built into the thing. So many times I've run into it where the adapters come off, like the last big stroller I had. All it did was the adapters come off, and then eventually now you're locked into using the stroller that one way because
Oh wow. Okay.
nobody feel like paying.
So how you
for
get
the
it to look
adapters.
like this?
You gotta adjust it.
Fine. It's not a button.
No, it's not a button. That's one way. This tab back here. So this tab you lift up, you do that.
Ooh.
When it's down, you can't lift up, do that.
Cool.
If you wanna, if ever.
No.
I knew you was gonna say it. Because we know you already. And how you like moving.
No. She'd be facing me for the majority part of her life.
But yeah, you would put her in like that. On a nice day, you lay her in here. And when she falls asleep, if she falls asleep, it's the way she be acting.
This is the only thing I feel like doesn't stretch out. No. What is this? Oh wow.
Little thingy.
The sun visor.
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
do it like that.
Once you get, by the time it's nice outside, she'll be older. So, I like this.
There you go.
I feel like we'll use
Wipe this off.
Yeah. I don't know what happened there. I
Don't
feel like
pull
we'll
it apart,
use
though,
this
'cause once
more.
you pull it apart, it ain't going back on the same. Yeah.
We'll probably use this a lot more and keep this in the car for the most part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sit.
I like it.
Good. That's the only shoulder you was getting. Don't break this one.
Cool. Now, we gotta bring this to the car.
Not tonight.
This is about the door for now.
Mm-hmm. Sit right
Cause what?
over there.
What do we really? We just really need the
We
car
only
seat,
really need
the
that,
car
yeah.
seat.
We don't really need a stroller. Now, we might have to bring her to a different part of the hospital in the car seat. That'd be the most you'll want to wheel her for, but it's not that deep. I'll carry her.
All right. So, thanks for coming to our TED Talk to put this stroller together. Any minute now. Any minute now.
Yes, please. Any minute. Any minute now.
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.